Make a dance.
So look at the That's how we know everyone.
Look what he did to the wall.
What do you do? What do you do?
Look.
You got it videotaped. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel bad. I really feel bad for him.
Don't say it was him. Why'd you do that, Mikey?
I feel bad for him.
Just don't say it was him.
Mikey's got it videotaped.
Okay, say sorry. Okay, so put a box over there so I won't see. You won't put a box.
No, I'll take it away.
So you won't see it too.
You can't lie.
No, then I'll take it away.
Don't worry about it. Put something there.
No, then I'll take it away.
So I'll talk to Alba. I'll tell him you didn't realize, okay?
Break his camera.
Okay, say goodnight. Say goodnight or I'm telling him.
No, I'm gonna make